Submitting to an agent is usually on every actor's goal for the new year. Whether it's your first time or fourth, there are some tips that I can share with you that usually yield positive results. However, none of this matters if you submit to an agent or manager too early. Let's talk about it. Happy March, honey bunch. I'm officially a year older now, and I'm feeling myself a little bit. If you're new here, my name is Nico Austin Smith, and as some of you know, this channel is dedicated to those who are serious about their acting career, but can't seem to find the need to know information. I got you. I've been in LA for about 4 years now, and I found great success being here, and my journey is just beginning. And you may have seen my face here, and if so, leave a comment, and let's continue on our acting journeys together. If you're watching this video, then you probably think that you're ready to submit to the agent or manager of your dreams, and you're just double checking to make sure. So you've probably got some amazing on-brand materials, such as your headshot, resume and reel, social media, if it's on brand for you to have social media. Everything's completely up to date. You're on casting sites like IMDb Pro, Actors Access, Casting Networks, and all of those sites are up to date. You've taken an acting class, you've self-taped yourself before, you have your own setup, you have footage, even if it's just of your self-tapes, but it's still great work that you're proud of. You've been on set before, even if it's for a short film or a student film, which yes, you can book your own by submitting yourself on a casting site like Actors Access. So if this doesn't sound like you, full stop. I urge you to go through my new to acting playlist, start here, because you may not be ready for representation. If the aforementioned does sound like you, stick around for more tips. So, you're ready to submit to an agency for representation. You know your brand and who you are. You're passionate about your craft. You've gotten auditions for yourself by self-submitting on casting sites. Maybe you've even booked work that way. Maybe you've just come off of shooting a short film or a co-star. Great. Always use that momentum. Now comes the more tedious part. Now is the time to do some research on what agencies you'd be right for. Start looking up agencies in your market. Southeast, LA, Northeast, Midwest, etc. Even if you're not in a big city, chances are there are still agencies that will represent you because you're in the same market. So please don't get discouraged if you live in a small town and you're not seeing any agencies listed near you. Once you've found your list, research them on IMDb Pro. And if you don't have IMDb Pro, you can always get a free 30-day trial, which is really all you need to gather your information. Here's an in-depth list on how to curate your target list of agencies to submit to. See? I told you I got you. It's imperative that the agent sees that you've done a lot of the career work yourself before submitting to them. Like, you've been in an acting class, you've submitted yourself before on work, you're familiar with casting directors who are casting shows that you'd be perfect for. You know the popular shows and films that are out right now. You're familiar with award season, with pilot season, with episodic season. You need to look like you've done your research and are a well-oiled machine when it comes to your acting career. This, coupled with your stellar cover letter, will make you stand out from the crowd of people who just decided to become an actor yesterday and now are submitting to all agencies they can think of because that's what you do. Agents will be able to sense that you're an amateur, and nobody wants that. Here's the hard truth. Not all agencies are right for everyone. Not all agents will communicate the way that you want them to. Not all agents will be fired up about working with you. You deserve someone who's in your corner, who will fight for you, who will pitch you, who will listen to you, who believes in you. That's why doing your research is so imperative in order to find out who would be the best fit. So please do yourself a favor and don't submit too early. The agency will still be there for you down the road if it's truly for you. Thank you all for sticking around to the very end. You got this, and I will see you in a new video Thursday after next. Bye.